Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
they saw a block. I mean, something.
They broke it by themselves. They were trying it. They broke it by themselves.
Okay. So what is your clip now?
Like I can show you the mark.
Can you confirm to us if indeed there was like this building was trained?
Yes, they broke it by themselves. I can show you. I understand you.
Is it true that the building was trained there?
At all. You can look like your salary come and do test and see that the love houses around here that are not people of this house.
So the cocoa here, they say the people they're angry that the government no give them time. One, they complain the government no run test on the building. Two, they say government just move in today, say they want demolition, give them 30 minutes notice. I can confirm when one of the officers of the government comes, give them 30 minutes notice. But I can also confirm that about 4 or 5 hours ago, government officers come the same building, right for the body, say it don't get distressed, and they mark them for demolition. And begin one people say, may they move out their properties. These two things happened today. Now government officials don't carry this particular bulldozer coming to come pull down the building. As you can see, the door ready to pull them down, and the people are shouting. They are angry. They said they don't want government to talk, to bring down the building. Say many people travel for the festive season. Government don't go also mark this second building. I'll get a bit close to prove to you. Say, okay, another person is saying something.
My name is Honorable Olufemi Polui.
Your post or your in this.
The immediate past supervisor in Lagos Mainland Local Government.
Okay. So what is your reaction to the new development in this area this morning?
Yes, you can see what is happening. I have been on ground since yesterday night with the stakeholders in the area, including Honorable Demolishing. Abilagba is there, the first chairman of the local government. Honorable Agoro is there, former House of Assembly member. Now, if they want to, I am not saying the government should not do their job. I am part of the government and I'm a stakeholder in the community. But this is not the way to take it. If this building did not collapse yesterday, they will not come here today. They've been passing here. They will see all dilapidated buildings around. They failed to mark it. They failed to eject them. Now, today is Eid al-Fitr Day. People are facing a lot of things. They want to eject the occupiers of this building unexpectedly. It is uncalled for. I, Olufemi Polui, a representative of this community, we are going to reject it totally and absolutely. Okay. It is uncalled for.
Okay, now what is your advice for the occupiers?
My advice, not for the occupiers for now, for the government is to serve them.
Building, but it appears government is retreating from bringing down the building. They are moving the machines backwards rather. After so much entreaties from the people, from the community leaders, from the house owners, the bulldozer is kind of leaving the location. I can specifically confirm to you that this building, for this morning, they come mark just like the one there by the side. This is the second one. It's written Las Becca distressed. Look at what is written on the body there. Distressed. See the date, 2nd of May 2022. Same thing with this other one where they bring in truck to come demolish. Just this morning, Now they come Markham. And the people are angry over this, insisting that the house must not be demolished. And I think the government has listened to them and is now pulling out from the location. That's the truck leaving the building. Why the people have been up there begging. They up there, they beg since they shout. You can see that woman is agitated. They've been angry, they've been quarreling, fighting, calling on government, saying make them no pull down the building. So the truck, the bulldozer is leaving the location. I guess they will not demolish this building. The issue be said this building where they want demolished, then just 4 buildings away from the one where collapsed yesterday night. Will make them, the government officers come around and now say other buildings where they are around also they distressed and they need to demolish them. And that he make they mark this one for demolition. See the building. They say don't they old, they distressed. This morning they come mark out for demolition. But now the bulldozer will come to demolition, don't pull out. And demolition no go take place at least for today. The government officials never tell us the exact reason why in council to proceed with the demolition. I want to show now where they mark this particular building and the date when they mark them for demolition. You can see say they carry this red tape, cover them. Now see where the marking day. I'll show you the exact date. Mama. So it's this morning that they came and marked it, and the people are angry that why would they mark and then tell them to leave today? And that is why the people are so agitated. You can see that woman is crying. She's scared. Huh? No, I'm talking to my phone. She's scared. Likewise, so many people here. You can see that lady over there is crying. Most of them have moved their things away already, afraid that the demolition might eventually take place. So the place is still tensed up. The people are still so much agitated. And I guess that is why the government is pulling out. But we'll wait to hear from the government exactly why they have decided not to demolish again after they don't threaten finish. They've been claiming say these particular stones from this building fall out. And the people here they talk say no be true. See those stones. The people here they talk say no be true. Say now the officials will come here and then demolish this part. Why the government is saying the building is falling off? That is the situation over here. Let's try and reach the government to hear from them why they decided not to demolish again. Meanwhile, situation up there from the building where they demolished, where it collapsed yesterday. And I say at least 8 people they don't confirm 8 people dead. Why didn't they also confirm say at least they rescued 23 people from the building where collapsed yesterday? For here, a Butemeta area of Lagos State, Ibadan Street to be precise. The government people and the local officials from here today do small meeting on to when and how to proceed with this demolition order. Now them they talk there. I can't get into their midst to get info, but once they finish up from here, I will hear from them what really happened, why the change of decision. Meanwhile, security teams dey ground. You can see patrol van there. Patrol van dey there. You can see civil defense, Lagos Neighborhood Watch, the health people dey here, police dey ground, civil defense. Everywhere just dey changed. Okay, while we wait for the officials of government to tell us why they decide to pull out from pulling down the building, let's go ahead back to the collapsed building to know what thing happened for that side. Last update I get from Red Cross a couple of minutes ago, that was about 11 o'clock, is that it's still 8 people who don't die, and then about 23 they rescued alive, though with some injuries.
We just said, oh, Nippon in the chance,
This is a building where they say they won't collapse, they won't demolish rather. You can see how the people are agitated and are all waiting. They were so angry, even the people upstairs. So they know they can't dance. If government want made them demolish the building. See that lady out there, she's still carrying her bag up there. That's where she did draw on her bag. They were all scared, they rushed, carried their bags down. Some will get property inside the building, they already moved them out. Some still they move them out. I can see somebody here. They're moving cartons away from a particular shop in the building. You see this one? Because they are still scared that the demolition may still continue. So many cartons of goods are inside there, and the owners are moving them out one after the other, afraid say demolition fit still happen when them no know. The meeting between government officers and stakeholders for this building still they go on in front of the building, where they won't agree on what is the final say on this issue of demolishing this particular building. The bulldozer where they bring into demolition, they don't pull them out, and meeting they now go on between the people who get the building and the government officers. Many people who been they live there don't pack their things, come out, see their properties. Sorry, I want to take picture of that stuff, ma. Please. Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you, Mama. Have they done any tests here before? Have they told you people? Have they told you anything before about this building?
No, this building. No, they didn't tell me anything. My brother is the one go there by himself. Go there to call. Say you want to renovate this place. Whether they remove it or they leave it, they come and do everything. Yes, I've collected every paper. Our name is Jimo Fagbero Itiano Fagbero. So I've collected everything.
So
that's like 2020. So my brother have this place is overseas. But then come last year. But this year he's sick. That's why.
So what did they write there now? What did they say they want to do?
I don't know what they are writing.
Did they tell you to move out your things? Because I noticed people are moving out their stuff.
Because my child's shop is there. That's why I removed this. But this one, before, I'm leaving this place before. So I left this place to this place because I want to give you further. Nobody is there. Nobody is there. Nobody.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, until they come and test it, it's okay. Nobody is there. So I see them come up. So my brother then come and see you. At when you receive on Wednesday, my brother will bring paper, bring everything because there is no light. So I'll call my brother now. I'll go and bring our phone number. Nobody is there. Nobody.
All right, that is the second building.
Please, I'm the one of person leave this place. So I left this place to this place.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'll be one to go and say, come and help us to. Come and help us to. Test this place. Whether you remove it or they renovate. So I've collected everything. Jimo, Itiano, Fagbero. I've collected everything.
All right.
So
Thank you.
See on Wednesday when you receive. Wednesday on Wednesday. And the grace of God now, before you left, let my brother here. Then we send the paper of that thing and the paper of the copy. Nobody is there.
The woman I talked to now, they tell me say nobody they live for this second building where they mark for demolition. But since they don't already do one test on the building and there is no problem with it, they get pass mark. Yeah. They get pass mark from the government. That's the second building. This one. So they get pass mark from the government. They say they get pass mark from the government and so then they're surprised to see say government won't come demolition. And they go carry their papers come government office on Wednesday when work resumes because now na holiday and they no fit go government office now. So these two buildings now then government mark for demolition, this and moving bulldozer to demolition. But due to the people protest, they stop the demolition process and as I talk to you, they don't move away the bulldozer from here. But talks still they go on between government.
So my quality people, that bring us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here I said bye.